Hello, this video is for Dr.Stang and anybody else who may be interested in purchasing their own cowl panel. But this is the cowl panel I chose. Thank you for your business and being patient with me while I got out a rust-free piece. Looks like the car was originally black and it had some undercoating sprayed throughout. So the car survived pretty well. It was just in a pretty bad wreck. The sun's going down and it's kind of windy out. So I'm not able to get the greatest full-length video with sunlight. I just wanted to kind of walk and talk real quick, and then I'll throw it in the sun so we can get some of that glare on there. But I always know to look, especially along the windshield seam and along the cowl seam here. So the paint, as you can see, the paint held up pretty well, the black original paint. There's just some undercoating and stuff on it, but no rust in the firewall surface here, and all up and around in the channels where you need to re-weld this thing. It's all very nice. I used a torch to get this guy off, so that's why you see this exposed metal started to rust, but the panel itself is very, very clean. So I see I've still got, oh actually no, that's so clean that I mistook that for rubber, but that is the metal of the cowl panel there. And just want to get you a good look at it. Don't want to just put it in the mail without you seeing what's on its way. I know I use stock photographs, which can be kind of unconventional at times, but I do have a lot in inventory, so usually I just go through and pull out the best and first available. I don't know if I took an extra chunk out of that little corner there or what that is. Let's go look at the other side. Yeah, I might have taken a little section out of that other side. But of course this is all the way up by the window. It's not anywhere you see it. It's underneath the fender. As long as you can patch that shut, I don't think that should be an issue. And let me flip it over so you can see what the bottom looks like, and we'll take a look at the windshield trim area again. I believe, I'll check my notes, but I believe this was an 88 LX. I know that really doesn't matter, as long as you got a 83 to 93. So here we are up against the windshield area. Very, very clean. And some of the welds from the factory, I'm sure, eventually start to oxidize or whatever inside there. But I really think this is a good piece. Some flaking paint, but no real rust underneath here. There's no slide hammer or old Bondo or anything, so it's been a straight piece all its life. This was me with the Sawzall just cutting the basin part out. But you should have all of the tabs intact that you need. In really good shape. Go throw it out best I can in the sunlight for you. And that just gives you a view of the shape of the metal. It's just real windy out and the sun's about down, and I did want to get this video accomplished today. So we'll put the important side up towards the sunlight here, and I run my hand over it. I did find one or two little dings. I'll do it again real quick. Really on this side. The glare on there. A little part right here with some scratch paint, and I guess that's probably the only ding that I really found. So very minor imperfection. Like I said, there was that one little corner. Just that one little corner piece. Got a little extra munch out of it. So if you don't mind the corner piece and the one maybe ding on it, it's got some primer over black. I really think it's a good, clean, and straight cowl panel. And if you agree, let me know, and I will make sure to have this shipped out tomorrow. So thanks again for being patient with me and for your business, and I hope to get this out to you soon. Thanks.